Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one comes from the retail giant Walmart. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to this page are linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to get that application in. Walmart is looking for a resolution coordinator for their contact center. So this is going to be on the customer service side. It does say remote option available. However, this job posting was posted on Walmart's website about 3 weeks ago. So I just wanted to share because I just come across it. But if you're interested in this position, you might want to get that application in quickly. But they are basically looking for somebody to help solve or provide resolutions for their contact center or customer service center. So they're looking for somebody to manage a high volume of incoming calls from customers, stores, and associates while navigating multiple computer systems to aid in answering their questions and resolving their issues. This says their customer care specialist needs to have the ability to communicate professionally in a conversational manner. They are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. Somebody who can type at least 25 words per minute, has customer service experience, and can use those Microsoft Office systems like Word, Outlook, Excel, all of those things. It does say, as far as the schedule goes, that their contact center is open 24/7, so they have a variety of shift opportunities. So maybe this is something that you could work in between other responsibilities. Now, unfortunately, they did not list the pay. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you have any suggestions on how I can make this channel or these job leads more helpful to you, leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.